Developing cartwheels. Now we're going to show you how you can develop your cartwheels. So we're going to show you different ways of doing them. We're going to start with a cartwheel that faces forwards and finishes backwards. Okay, so like normal, you stretch up nice and tall at the beginning, but when you finish at the end, you're facing backwards. So you do a little quarter turn in on yourself. As you do with your cartwheels, remember your posture, keep your lines nice and straight. Okay, now we're going to show you a cartwheel that starts facing forwards and finishes facing forwards. Very nice. One more time, please. This time, watch for the quarter turn that goes at the end, but to face forwards rather than facing back. Very nice. Now we're going to show you a one-handed cartwheel. You've got two options here. You can either leave your spare arm by your side or you can place it on your hip. We're going to show you both. So we'll start off with the arm by the side. And the second time we're going to show it with the hand on the hip. When you do your one-handed cartwheel, you need to swing those legs a little bit faster so that your hand isn't on the floor quite so long. So really kick those legs nice and fast. Let's see it once more. Now we're going to show you each of these skills in slow motion.